In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix YouTube and awkward error, please try again. So if you're also facing this issue currently, let me show you the few first steps that you can try out. First of all, make sure you restart your device. So just tap and hold the power button on your device and make sure you restart it, as well as make sure that you have the latest version of YouTube. So head over to the Play Store, search for YouTube, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, what you can then try out is try to clear the cache of the YouTube app. So just tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, scroll down, tap on storage, and then tap on clear cache. Once this step is complete, you'll also need to ensure that the date and time settings is set to automatic. So just head over to the settings on your device, search for date and time, and make sure that this option, which is automatic date and time, is enabled. Once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue that you're currently having. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.